Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to trade options on Charles Schwab mobile app. Open the app and sign in, then enable options trading in settings. Search for the stock symbol, tap trade and choose options. Pick an expiration and strike, then select call or put and set quantity. Choose a limit or market order, review fees and margin, then swipe to submit. Monitor the position and adjust as needed using the app tools. Start by reviewing available expirations and strike grids in the options view. Think about time decay and choose an expiration that fits your trade idea. Use implied volatility and Greeks to gauge risk and potential reward. For directional bets, buy calls or puts. For income, consider selling covered or cash-secured options if approved. Set sensible position size limits and use limit orders to control execution price and slippage while you place the trade. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation. A book that can truly change how you think about money is The Simple Path to Wealth, which breaks down investing basics and long-term thinking in an easy way. It pairs nicely with learning options because good money habits matter first. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. When placing an options order, choose the order type that matches your intent, such as limit for price control or market for immediate fills. Add an order duration like day or GTC based on how long you expect the trade to take. Consider OCO or stop orders to protect downside or lock profits. Keep an eye on commissions and assignment risk for short positions, and adjust or close positions as market conditions change to manage risk effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.